Have you asked yourself how the YouTube algorithm works? If you haven't, in this video I'll be sharing with you 4 factors that influences YouTube algorithm. These factors will make your video to be pushed to the public and you will start getting views. So one of the best way to be discovered on this YouTube space, especially if you just started or you are stuck somewhere on this YouTube space and you want insight on changes on how your video should be pushed to the public so that you start getting views. So in this video, I'll be sharing those 4 factors and 5 tactical tips on how to start getting views. So stay with me on this video. If you haven't give this video a like, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you become part of my amazing family, and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified each time I upload videos like this. Welcome back to my channel. This will take us to the first question that I asked: how does the YouTube algorithm works? The YouTube algorithm's goal is to match viewers with the videos they are most likely to enjoy. Let me tell you a secret that some of us as a creator here doesn't know about. One of our popular creator here, which I believe most of us here knows about him, Think Media, he made a comment. He said that although YouTube cares for us as a creator, but they are obsessed with viewer satisfaction. They want to find the videos that the viewers like and enjoy. So this is how the algorithm works. The algorithm matches you with the videos that you most likely watch or enjoy. So this will take us to the 4 factors that influences YouTube algorithm, how the YouTube algorithm works. All these 4 factors is sum up to what I call viewers behavior. The first one is watch history, the second one is search history, the third one is likes, dislikes and comments, the fourth one is titles and thumbnails. Search and watch history goes in hand. Okay, for instance, the other day I searched for the popular creator Mr. Beast. In his video, I searched for him, I watched some of the video and I liked some of his videos too. And from that day onwards, I started getting videos of him. So in my YouTube dashboard, all his videos started popping up in my dashboard. So that is how the algorithm works. What you search is what the YouTube will start showing you in your YouTube dashboard. When you search for a particular term, when you search for a particular topic or a topic that is related to it, it starts showing you all those terms that is related to that's your topic. That's why you need to optimize your video very well so that your video will be ranked in search history. This will make your videos to start getting more views. And also titles and thumbnails, it helps when you search for a particular titles for they will bring out, they will show out some titles that are related to those topics or titles with those topics, and you start getting videos like them. That is how the YouTube algorithm matches the viewers with the videos they want, the video that you search, the video that you liked, and the video that you watched. That's what the YouTube starts showing you in your dashboard. This will lead us to 5 most tactical tips of getting views. I know you must have heard many tips of getting views on this YouTube space, but I'll be sharing out 5 most tactical tips of getting views. These 5 of them is very important and you don't get to miss it. So stay with me in this video so that you know all these tips which will help you to start getting more views and for your video to be ranked in search history. Whenever they search for your topic, you will be the first person to pop on the search history and you will start getting views. The first tips is optimize video titles and thumbnails. How will you do this? You will do this by changing your video file name and thumbnails. You will change the thumbnails, the name too. So some of us here just saved our video and upload it directly, which is very bad. It's made you not to be ranked up in the search history, and for your video to be ranked up in the search history you need to change your video file name. For example, if you are making a video on how to increase YouTube watch hour, make sure that your video file name is how to get 4,000 watch hour or how to increase 4,000 watch hour. So make sure your thumbnails is changed to that your title name to, change your thumbnails file name, change your video file name, so that each time they search for your video topic or a similar topic like that, you will be among those videos, or your video will be among the ones that will pop up in the search history. It's very, very important. The second one is use playlist. If you are not including your playlist in your videos, then you are making a whole lot of mistakes. Yes, because some of your viewers might come from your playlist. Whenever you include your playlist, just copy your playlist link and add it to your description each time you upload your videos. Because even my videos, so I add my playlist to each of the videos I posted, and I know the views I've gotten from those playlists. So using playlists or adding playlists to your videos is very, very important. So if you're not adding playlists to your videos, then you start adding them now. You start adding it now. The third one is create trending videos and content. Yes, create trending content. Jump in the trending content. Any videos or any trending topics, make sure you recreate those videos or you create them, so that it helps you to get views. For instance, when I joined this YouTube recently, which was about few weeks ago, it was how to stream with restream.io that was trending then. Majority jumped in these trending topics, and their channels, it boosts their channels. Yes, I know one of a creator that popular with this trending topic, yes. So it's better to create a trending topic, create a trending content. It helps your videos to start getting views. Yes, it's one of the most things that helps your videos to get more views. Don't just create outdated topics, outdated content. Jump in on the trending ones, jump on the trending ones, so that your videos will start getting views. Don't slack on this. The fourth one is post shorts. Yes, start posting shorts now. If you're not posting shorts, I don't mean posting anyhow short. Yes, recreate your long form videos into short and post them. If you don't know how to do it, if you don't know how to do this, I did a video on that. Yes, you go and watch the video, so that you know how to turn your long form videos into short. This will help you to start getting views. You know, short have 100% chance of going viral. Yes, so by recreating your long form videos into short, much people will watch your short and click on your long form videos and watch from them. So the last one is be consistent. Yes, you hear this all the time, yes, be consistent. Choose a posting schedule. Be consistent doesn't mean you posting every day. If you want to get that views that you desired, be consistent. Choose a posting schedule, that you be posting your video, that you be uploading your videos, so that your video will start getting views. When you start doing all these tips that I just shared with you, bet me your videos will turn from 0 to 100. Yes, you will start getting more views like you desired. Make sure you start utilizing all these tips that I just dished out to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to this channel. It won't take anything from you. And thank you for watching my videos. See you on my next video. Bye.